Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. I got some exciting news today. We are adding to our family. What? We're getting 5 silky Chinese chickens. Chinese Silky Chickens, I believe. We're going to be adding those to our family. We're actually in town right now, and I'll be honest with you, I am staying in the car because if the guy knew that I was a foreigner, then he wouldn't be giving us such a great deal. So I'll get all the details once Christine gets the chickens and we get back to the house, and we'll check these things out. They are so cute. But yeah, you know, there is a skin tax in the Philippines, unfortunately. I don't blame them. I mean, you know, foreigners have more money than Filipinos, so they try to get a little bit more money out of us. It's just the way it is. I'm not complaining. So she's getting a great discount on 5 Chinese Silky Chickens. I think she said 3 males and 4 females? Wait, that doesn't make sense. 2 males, 3 females, because I think she said 5 total. We'll find out all the details. I'm just so excited I had to tell you guys. Also, took Snuffy, got him a haircut today. Right, buddy? Look at that. I got him shaved. I figured if I'm shaved, he's getting shaved. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. I'll show you when we get back at the house. All right, guys, we are home. We got home at last with our brand new members of the family. So it turns out we actually got 6, right?
Yeah.
6. We got 6 pieces for how much?
1,700.
1,700 for 6 of these chickens I'm about to show you. These chickens normally go from 5 to 1,000 a piece, and actually I looked up online and they're selling for as much as 5,000 pesos per pair. So male, female. So here we go. Come on in. Might be a little dark in here. They're just getting used to their temporary house.
Yeah.
These things, I haven't even touched one yet. Let's see if I can grab one.
That's a female.
It's a female.
Yeah. We got 4 female and 2 male.
4 female, 2 male.
Black Chinese chicken.
They call these Silkies. They're like fur. Real fur, and they got this fluffy little thing on their head. Look how cute.
Yeah, they speak Chinese.
They speak Chinese. Chinese chickens. And they have black skin.
Yeah.
Their meat is very expensive, but I have no plans of killing our pets. Why do we kill our poor wildlife? These are our new little pets, our new addition. So now our house would be classified as a farm. We got a farmhouse. Look at that little guy. He's so cute.
Yeah, you'll be fried chickens.
No, he's not. We're not going to eat the chickens. Watch where I step here.
That's weird.
So this is a female. The female's got the fluffy heads. And then see if I can catch a rooster.
Oh, they empty. Honey.
Hey, come here. Come here, you little shit.
Honey.
Somebody's calling. It's probably Shopee. These things are so cute, huh? They're all hiding. They're shy. These things, I'm sure they were in a tiny little cage. That little cage that the guy had them in. So now they got all this space. This is temporary. I actually need to run to Citihardware. Need to run to Citihardware and get some screen. What we're gonna do is turn this gazebo into a chicken house. So my plan will be to go from that pole to that pole and then put a pole there and a pole here so that that's my motorcycle parking. And then our recycles will be on the outside of the fence. So this will be the chicken area, and then we'll get some of those chicken baskets to hang so that they can lay eggs. All right, so I'm waiting on my father-in-law. He's gonna come up and help me build this chicken house. But first I need to run to Citihardware, so let's go there. All right, guys, here we are again at the good old Citihardware, my favorite store. So you've seen the baby chickens, the young chickens. So next we're going to build a chicken housing for them. And we're actually going to use the gazebo, so I need to get some chicken screen and some wire. So let's go inside. This is the Citihardware at Bayambang, my favorite store. Let's go check it out, see what we can find. All right, guys, I'm getting some brackets for a different project, but they have lots of different brackets available. So that's what we got. That is for another project coming up. Let's go look at their chicken wire. So this is the store, actually. I'll show you real quick. They have tons of tile. Actually, I need tile for another project. Let's see if we can find that. Right over here. Get this tile here. 2 more of these. Better just get 3. All right, let's go look at that chicken wire. You know, we've got so many projects going on, so many exciting videos coming up. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime a new video comes out. So they got lots of furniture, different cabinets. The heck, I saw that girl right there and I was like, why is she staring at me? It's a poster. They got different plywoods. I really like this plywood here. Actually, it's on sale right now, $15.65. This is that marine board that we use to build all of our cabinets. We got generators. There's the chicken wire, way over there. I always find it exciting to go to a new store in a different country. So I need a couple rolls. That stuff up there. Let's see if we can find something on sale. Yesterday, I bought 1 roll of that, $6.30. It's 5 meters. In the future, I also want to get some of these. These spikes go up on top of the wall, and $2.80 a piece. That's actually not bad. And then they have these death spikes. They're $4.80, so double the price, probably double the damage they do. But I definitely want to get these in the future. That'll be a while. Christine wanted to put barbed wire fence, but I'm not into that. It's ugly. So I think we'll do something like this. All right, let's get some screen. So here's some more. You got your plumbing section. You got mirrors. You got your toilets, tubs. You got paint, doors, windows. Got some more cabinets here. That would make a nice coffee bar. It's not bad. $89.95. That's a Bremen. It's good quality. Even got slow close hinges. I came here for buckets yesterday and they were out. They only had those white ones. They got appliances. You got your, what do you call those? Faucets, ranges, sinks. They even have cabinets, pre-built cabinets. Lots of sinks. A couple small appliances. Refrigerators, air cons, washers and dryers. They even have those sliding coolers. Actually, let me look here. I want to get a deep freezer, a small one. How much? Look, that one's on sale. Boston Bay, that's a good brand. Oh, wow. 13,000. It was almost 16. So you saved 3,000. 5.5. This is what we need for meats. I'll show that to Christine. Big ones. It's not bad either. Fans, tubs, electrical section. We got all kinds of lights. We got fans here, exhaust fans. I don't see any solar fans. Ceiling fans. I think we bought something like that one there. It's on the porch. All right, let me grab some tiles and get out of here. All right, guys, I just got back. It is the heat of the day. It is probably 88, 90 degrees. So I don't think my father-in-law is actually coming up until tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here, and then I'll make a separate video, part 2, for tomorrow, the DIY construction of the chicken house. And yeah, stay tuned for that. A little wiener.
He's obsessed with the chicken.
I know, he can't get enough of the chickens. So this is what I got from City. We got 4 of these rolls now. I bought 3 more, so we had one I bought yesterday. So we'll put this on the sides. Got all this wood yesterday for different projects. Got our paint for different projects. Got a little bit of everything. I tell you, different projects going on. Bunch of brackets, different projects. I mentioned in an earlier video, this is a necessity. If you're on a bike, you definitely need one of these to tie up your wife.
What are you talking about?
What? Bungee cords.
Tie you up.
I'll tie you up. Got the mechanics wire, we got the filters, which we're actually gonna save those. Those are brackets for different projects.
Brackets for my husband.
We got, check this out. So this they consider a paint stirrer, but look how big it is. So I figure I can use that to stir concrete in a bucket. And then, the other one, really did a number on this job, did a number on this bag. Where's the other one? I thought I got another one of those.
Of what?
These stirrers, remember we got 2? Should be a short one, right?
Well, I use it for my cakes. Yeah, it's on.
Oh, she's already trying to steal my stirrer. So this one is for, I'll use this one for paint, and then we'll use the big one for mixing concrete. These things, this was 95 pesos for this. I thought that was cheap. I thought it'd be, you know, a couple hundred, 500 at least. So 95 for that. And then this one was $170 for this big one for the concrete mixer. And got lots of silicones and different things, different projects we're working on. Got plants, we got paint supplies for that project coming up. Got plants growing. Christine's starting her herb gardens. Lots and lots of projects going on. Right, honey?
Yeah, lots of projects.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Are you ready? Until next time. Until next time. Peace.
Peace.
Oh man, guess what's for dinner? Chickens. We're gonna try one of our chickens. Just kidding. I wouldn't kill one of our silky chickens. They're our pets.
Honey.